Hi weaving friends, I have just received a parcel from one of my favorite places to get parcels from, Pickers Ridge, Australian family-owned handcrafted wood products. And some of the wood products that are of particular interest to us weavers are their shuttles, their boat shuttles. But today I have a different kind of a shuttle and I'm going to open it right now and show you. So this is a brand new range for them. And as soon as I saw they were making these, I had to get one. And also the ones that they had in the store just looked so beautiful. I could not resist. Beautifully packed as usual. Padded bag plus a tube plus sticky tape. So good. Now this particular shuttle, which I'll reveal to you in a minute, is made also of the beautiful figured silkwood maple that I already have a shuttle made from. It was a custom made shuttle that they did just for me. And I love the wood so much, and I know that they only have a small amount of it. And so I just thought I've got to grab that. Okay, here comes the big reveal. And in case you're wondering, yes, they do send internationally as well. And they send really fast. I only ordered this a few days ago. Ooh, wow. So beautiful. Can you see the sheen on that? It is gorgeous. So see these ripples? That's the figured silkwood maple. It's such a beautiful wood. All the woods that they handcraft their shuttles from are sustainable. And then they usually have a certain amount of a particular type of wood before it runs out. And this is one of them. So it is, in case you don't know, it is a belt shuttle, which you use for inkle weaving. You can also use it for weft face weaving, you know, where you need to beat that weft down a bit more. This one I'm going to be using on my Inkle loom. Look at that. And as usual, it has that beautiful, just completed smell. And there's the little Pickers Ridge stamp on the edge. I don't know if my camera can pick that up or not. And so a belt shuttle is thicker on one side, and then it's beveled to a thin taper on the opposite side. And that's what allows us to really beat down on an inkle band in particular, to give that really firm, nice, sharp beat. So I don't have either of my inkle looms warped up at the moment, sadly. That's really sad because I would like to be able to use this straight away. Of course, when you get something new and beautiful, you want to use it straight away. But as soon as I can get one of those looms warped up, I have been wanting to do some more tablet weaving. So as soon as I can do that, I'll be using this beautiful shuttle. I will leave an affiliate link for you underneath this video or beside this video, wherever it happens to show up. And you too can own these gorgeous wooden weaving tools.